In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FiveM could not open x64 audio. So the first thing you want to try is to go here and go to the control panel. So here you'll see programs and features. So I suggest before trying to uninstall FiveM is to try to shut it down completely. So go to Task Manager, and then if you see FiveM here, just shut it down, right click and then end task. If you see it here, then you can exit it. You can just make sure you exit FiveM from here. And then in details, you want to make sure there's no folders related to FiveM also are opened. So if you see them, just right click and then end process tree. You can search to make it easier. Once you have this done, now you can safely uninstall FiveM and try to reinstall it. And once installed, before you relaunch it, make sure you go to CMD and then run as administrator. Now here you want to write this following command, so sfc/scan now. This will help you repair any missing system folders, and it will basically automatically fix them for you. And once you finish running it, you can try to restart the game, and this should basically fix it.